getting into the content, let's talk about GSX. As you know, Apollo Fintech team, those guys behind this crypto project, are adding gold assets, mines, and they are growing like crazy, guys. Just recently, the value of GSX just doubled just because news of a new Zimbabwe mine getting added to the asset. So you can get your hands on GSX on the Bitmart crypto exchange, or just go with the link in the description and pay by credit card. Get your hands on GSX. So it's a space party today. Yeah, space is over 5% in the positive today. That's why the studio is green. I put a green jersey on as well, and everything is green today. So yeah, those are the days, guys, that I said they will come for sure at some point. You know, I still believe, same like a couple of other people outside, you know, that this was not the end of the downturn, right? This year stays very challenging, but Virgin Galactic will go higher at some point, and this is clear for me. This is so clear for me, guys. I haven't had a great conviction like that for stock for a very, very long time. So yeah, let me know in the comments and in the live chat where you are watching from, so I can give you a shout out, obviously. And let's dive in. As of this recording, Virgin Galactic and the whole market, actually, okay, S&P 500 is plus 1.34%. We have the, let me see, the Spce is almost 5% up, so that's quite interesting. Guys, I think, you know, now we are very close to the CPI numbers, which will come tomorrow, I think. Yeah, tomorrow. Make sure that those numbers can give a little bit of a turmoil into the market, okay? So maybe this green over today and the last days could be a little bit, let's say, shaky. And also the S&P 500 at 4,600 is a good resistance there, you know. So I can imagine that this is a nice bounce, but tomorrow we could be a little bit negative. But let's see. So what gives us this rally? Obviously, you know, the rally is due to the new CBO, Blair Rich. Guys, if you haven't seen it, I have made a nice video today. Let me have a look. If you go on my channel, and by the way, the quick clip that I brought in the beginning with the party was a scene from The Wolf of Wall Street, a fantastic movie. Go and watch it if you haven't. And I met the real Wolf of Wall Street this week. And if you want to see how this worked out, follow me on Instagram, Wolf of Dubai Danny. Okay. Now, I am seeing here oh, you don't see anything. So so if you're going here on my channel, you can see here, this is the video that I put out today, which was about the downgrades, okay, or the downgrade by the analyst, and still the stock explodes 5%. Okay, so make sure to go there, smash the like button, comment something, and this is her. Okay, this is her, Blair Rich, almost like the one famous movie. Anyway, let's have a look what the Reddit community is saying. Virgin Galactic appoints Blair Rich as president and chief business officer, commercial and consumer operations. She is very about the marketing, about a lot of things. And you know, this, sorry, I just reading your comments as well, as we have H-Town in the house, we have La Puente, California in the house, we have London in the house, we have Holland in the house, we have Portugal in the house, we have Sungarn from San Diego, California in the house, St. Paul in Minnesota as well. Thank you very much for tuning in. So yeah, so as I said, let's have a look into the Reddit community here. This is, in fact, if you read between the lines, good news. It means that they have moved beyond thinking just about engineering and building shop to sales and marketing. This is one bit of news that is a bit positive. Don't open the champagne bottles just yet, though. They also hired Cole Glazer, moving beyond thinking just about engineering and building shops to sales and marketing 2 years ago, and look what we are now. So this is not so positive. I'll open the champagne bottle when they announced that they are partnering with a leading aerospace manufacturer and new assembly facility to build a fleet of spaceships any day now, in my opinion. There are certain thinking big. So, you know, mixed, but mainly positive, apparently, into the space community. I'm not that, let's say, involved into the Reddit, but let's have a look what else is here. 19,000 members, nice. I watched that. I put also a part of this interview here with Blair. It's a little bit longer, but it's a nice interview of her talking about marketing and so on and so forth. Okay, so what else do we have? This needs to be said about Virgin Galactic. Fun at any all-time high here. I can go lower. I love the memes, though. I love the memes. So as you see, beside the recent news, there's just opinions, not really any additional informations that are kind of interesting or anything. So yeah, you can see here that nothing really here in the Virgin Galactic space Reddit. Let's have a look into the chart of Virgin Galactic and the market actually rallying towards the end. We are still having like 6 minutes to go. So here, let's have a look. We are having still the situation that we are still bearish. You know, the chart goes basically straight down. Okay, nothing that can support here. But as you can see, the channel here gets narrower, so that means that at some point, you know, the stock will go a little bit higher, or will find a kind of bottom, and from there we need to cross first the 50 moving average, which could be here, and then, you know, we could have a potential, let's say, bounce back to like 20 levels. And then there's the big question to go there, okay? Now, when this could happen, if there's good news, guys, if there's good news, there could be something on the 22nd of February. As you know, Virgin Galactic is showing us their numbers on the 22nd of February. I will be live, obviously, and other than that, you know, there's not real big news. But I think towards the end of the year, you will see like forerunners, right, front runners, going and trying to get really in front of the overall situation and in front of the running stock. And this could bring like kind of like a real squeeze, because there will be much more people to buy the stock than to sell the stock. Because seriously, you know, and honestly speaking, I think at that point there's just people holding the stock that are very for long term, that they understand, like you and me, for the long term on this company. Okay, so we are not sellers. So they need to get the stocks from somewhere else. So the price will obviously go higher. So I think this is a quite interesting characteristic about the current situation of Virgin Galactic. And yeah, and then we will see higher prices for Virgin Galactic for sure towards the end of the year with a great management and brand new fleet, right? Let me also give you a shout out to Denmark, Australia, New Jersey, Switzerland, Netherlands, El Monte, California, Sydney, Canada, Malta, Beto, let's see, Germany as well. Yeah, and Dreamcatcher is saying it rightly. You know, just remember this is a long-term hold. In 5 years, we will look back and laugh on how we feel about this stock right now. Buy the dip, average your price per share, and hodl on. Well, I couldn't say it better. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to smash that like button. This always helps this channel. Follow me on Instagram, Wolf of Dubai Danny. And I see you obviously tomorrow. That was the wrong button. I see you tomorrow. And yeah, thank you so much. And smash that like.